Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to tell you how to change language on any Android device. So, firstly, guys, if you want to change the language of your Android device, just go to settings, scroll down. Here we have an option of an additional setting. Just tap here and then come to languages and input. Just tap to languages. Now, these are all the languages here. So, I am selecting another language. Okay, so I am selecting Portuguese. Then go back. So, as you guys see, the language is now changed. Then guys, if you want to change the language in English again, so just tap here and then tap to English US so that the language will change again. So that's how guys we can change the language in any Android device. So that is it guys about the video. If this video helped you, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in the next video. Take care.